If you're visiting Italy, here's how to use your phone without getting killed on roaming charges and fees. My name's Rob Murgatroyd, and I've been living in Florence with my family since 2021. And today I'm going to walk you through a few great options, but just know your phone must be unlocked to use any of these options. Okay, so the first option is great if you want Italian data and the ability to make local calls. It's especially worth it if you travel frequently to Italy, you want an Italian phone number, or your phone requires a physical SIM card. My suggestion would be to walk into a TIM store when you arrive. TIM is Italy's biggest cell phone provider. Think Verizon or AT&T. Their stores are everywhere in the city centers, and most of the staff speak English. Just tell them that you need a SIM card, and for about 25 euros, you'll get 200 gigs of data and local calls for 30 days. But you'll need to bring your passport because Italian law requires it to buy a SIM card. Okay, if you don't want to deal with any of that, just get an eSIM, and we suggest using an app called Airalo. You download it, pick an Italy plan, and you're set up in like 5 minutes. No store, no passport, no swapping out your SIM card, and their plans start at a couple of bucks. For most trips, you're looking at maybe 20 bucks. And if you start running low on data, all you have to do is just top it off right in the app. Now, the only catch is that Airalo is data only, so you won't get an Italian phone number. But WhatsApp, FaceTime, and all of that stuff works over data, so you're fine. The last option, and often the most expensive, is to set up an international plan with your local carrier before you arrive. AT&T and Verizon both charge something like $10 to $12 a day, so for a 2-week trip, that's like $140 to $170 just to use your phone. T-Mobile includes free international data, but you hit limits so quickly and they slow you down so much that you can barely load a map. Again, whatever you do, make sure your phone is unlocked before you leave. If it's locked to your carrier, none of this is going to work. And if you want more tips like this, grab our free Florence favorites list. Just scan the QR code and we'll send it straight to your email.